Hello everyone, today we will learn in this video how to do live streaming in YouTube using the Zoom app. Now using the Zoom app you can have a meeting, you can share your screen and you can also do that live streaming using the Zoom app. So for that first you need to open your browser. Now in the browser you need to open the Zoom setting. Now it is zoom.us, then slash profile slash setting, it's already there. When I click on it, you need to use your ID password. So this page will come before you. Now you can see under your personal tab, you can see setting option is there. When I click on the setting option, you can see it shows many options to me. I'll choose the in meeting advanced. There are many options which you can choose while you're using the Zoom app. Now in my in meeting advanced, you can see I'll scroll down. This is an option which says allow live streaming meeting. So whatever you do, it will be live streaming it will be live streaming in YouTube or in Facebook. So whatever, like you need to know when it is unselected, it is green color and the white color circle, it is towards the left hand side, and when you select it, it turns blue color and the white color circle goes to the right hand side. So this is selected. You need to first select it on C. This is unselected. This is selected version. Now here, allow live streaming. If you want, you can click on Facebook and then click on save. If you want YouTube and Facebook, you can click on both. If you want only Facebook, you can click on only Facebook. If you want only YouTube, then you can unselect Facebook. So whatever you can choose. Suppose for me it's YouTube. So as I have already selected it, so it's already saved. If I click on Facebook now, so you can see over here it shows save. When I click on the save option, you can see it says your setting have been updated. So my setting has been updated. Now after doing this, I need to open my Zoom app. So you have a Zoom, you click on the Zoom icon. After this, this screen will come before you. Enter your ID password. It will be your email and the password. After you sign in, it will bring you to the meeting, this page. Over here, select on the meeting. It's my PM ID. So I start the meeting. When I start the meeting, the screen will come before me. Now over here down, you can see in this tab, there is a more option. When I click on more now, it shows live on YouTube. And suppose you have done the screen sharing, then for you it will be on top. This bar will come. In this bar, when you click on the more option, you can see in the drop down menu, live on YouTube comes over here. Now when I click on live on YouTube, so for me now it will open a page. Now I go to my channel. Now in my channel, I select. Now you need to remember this. You need to have a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, then you need to create a YouTube channel before 24 hours before you do the live streaming. You can give a name to your video, whatever you're live streaming, whatever topic it can be. I have given demo test 1, then select public. And when I click on go live, you can see over here it will show that now in my browser from Zoom it is being directed to YouTube. So it's scrolling like this. So within a second, whatever I do in YouTube now, you can see, in Zoom, it will be visible very much in my YouTube channel. Now you can see earlier this page was there. Now this is happening because I have shared my screen. So this is visible on the screen. So I've made it mute. So you can hear whatever I was speaking, it's already also recorded. So both video and audio will come. So after this, if you go back to your Zoom page, you can see in the Zoom page, if you have not shared your screen, you can see it will show like this, live on YouTube. The screen will be visible to you live on YouTube. It shows that now whatever happens in the screen, it's live on YouTube. Meeting is now streaming live on YouTube. And then if you have shared your screen, in that case, it shows on top, you can see live. You can see in the green, you are screen sharing and it shows live. So this is an indication that I am live in YouTube. So now you can see whatever I am doing, it is being recorded in my YouTube channel. Now you need to know, now suppose how will the people know, whomever you share, how do they come to see your YouTube channel? For that you can do first, click on this. What you can do is, you just go to the browser. I type YouTube. If you have signed in, then already in YouTube you can see it will show your name and channel. So when I select over here, this is my channel. So go to your channel. Now this is my ID. This is my ID. So what I do, I select over here the URL bar. I select it, and then maybe through WhatsApp or mail, whatever you prefer. You can either, like if you have done WhatsApp web, then maybe you can click on your WhatsApp web, and you can very much like uh, share over here. I have pasted. So now you can see my YouTube channel I have sent. Now when I click on this YouTube channel, it will direct me to my YouTube channel. So when I click over here now, this is going on demo test 1. You can see, I can see it as a viewer now. So whatever happens in my Zoom screen is being live streamed in YouTube. Now this is how we can do the YouTube live streaming. Now let's learn how to stop the YouTube live streaming. After it's get over, if you are not doing screen sharing, then down again the same thing. When you click on more, it will show you stop live stream. So you click on that, it will immediately stop. If you are doing share screen, then again in the same way, go to more, click on the drop down menu. Here it will show now stop live stream. When you click on it, it will stop your live streaming. So this is how you can go, you can do the live streaming of your meetings or recordings from your Zoom in YouTube. So first it's essential that you go for the settings. You need to do that setting, because, and this is only available in the demo version. So you need to be very sure that if you have, sorry, in the license version, so you need to have a license Zoom ID. So if you have a license Zoom ID, then you can go for the meeting setting. In the meeting setting, you can see zoom.us profile setting. When you click over there, you need to go for the setting option. In the setting option, go to in meeting advanced. In meeting advanced, you scroll down, go to allow live streaming meeting, switch it on, choose wherever you want to live stream it, Facebook or YouTube. After that, you need to open your Zoom. You need to sign in to your Zoom ID, start the meeting, then you click on this more option. It will show to you live on YouTube. After going on live on YouTube, you need to go to your channel, clicking over there, and then whatever you do, it will be visible in the YouTube. So this is, if you share your screen, then on top it will be there in the bar, more option, you can go to live on YouTube. When you want to stop it, same thing, you have to click on more, stop live stream. If you are sharing your screen, same thing, on the upper panel when you click it, from drop down menu, click stop live stream. Thank you. I hope it helps you.